So it's easy to forget that being healthy, it's not just about what we eat or how often we go to the gym. It's also about taking care of our whole environment, which includes our homes and where we live. So sure, we all want a super tiny home, right? But sometimes the products that we use can actually do more harm than they do good. It's pretty shocking to learn this. I was shocked. But the air inside of our homes, it can be even more polluted than the air on the outside. So 2 to 5 times more polluted inside of our homes than outside. But there are simple things that we can do to make our living space healthier. So first off, bring in the greenery. So plants, Boston ferns, snake plants, they can naturally clean the air, which is pretty neat. And then, of course, it's not hard to crack open a window, even when it's chilly outside. Letting in some fresh air, this is gonna make a huge difference in how we feel, but it's also gonna help with the quality of our air inside of our homes as well. And definitely don't forget those exhaust fans. They're not just for getting rid of those cooking smells, they can also help kick out some of those harmful pollutants that are in our homes. Of course, I know we don't all love this, but regular cleaning is important too. Dust can build up pretty quickly, so staying on top of your cleaning can really help keep that air quality inside of our homes in check. But my absolute favorite tip for today is swapping out those chemical-laden cleaning products for alternatives. And this is where Shaklee comes in. This is where Shaklee shines. We have everything from dish soap to laundry and dishwasher detergents. We have an all-purpose cleaner. So all of these products, they get the job done and they get it done well without all of that nasty stuff. So I encourage you all to take steps to make your home a healthier place and definitely let us know which tips you're trying out.